Okay, students, now we are in the fourth video lecture of our topic, that is Unit 1, Introduction and Introduction to Management and in Organization. I think already we have discussed various topics, what are the various functions, what is the function of a manager, and then what are the various structure of an organization, how we are achieving the output from the input. So these are all the all of you are informed to recollect your memories about the first unit what we have already discussed. So then only you can gather the information based on your continuous recalling. Mm. So today's class we are going to discuss about what is the various level of management, top level manager, middle level manager, and first line managers. Those who are all called as the various topic. Area of management is marketing, financing, operation, human resources, administrative, and other kind of managers also available in management. Every person is having their own way of activities. Three main categories of managerial role is given by the Mindberg: interpersonal role, information role, decision making role. Interpersonal means figure out leader and liaison role. Information means monitoring, decision making, spokesperson. Managerial skills: technical, interpersonal, conceptual, diagnostic, communication, decision making, and time management. So all of you know about the various meaning of the words what we have discussed. Management, so we can compare the management by the way of science or by the way of art. Science is problem can be solved using the systematic method, requires use of technical, diagnostic, and decision making theorem. Art, we can issue and can be resolved using the interest of and the experience, requires of conceptual, communication, interpersonal, and time management skills. Becoming a manager: education and experience, sound education, successful and initial job experience. These both combine successful acquisition and utilization of the basic management skill. Relevance of management: relevant to the all organization, large, small, startup, interpersonal companies, not for profit, government, educational organization, religious organizations. So what are the parameters of the management discrimination? So organization environment, organization culture, a system shared meaning of common belief held by the organization members and determines large degree how they act and towards each other. The way we do think around the persons. Dimensions of organization culture. What are the various way of measuring the organization cultures is described in the slide diagrammatic form. Attention to the detail, outcome orientation, people orientation, etc. Strong, what is called a strong culture, or cultures in which the value are deeply held and widely held, have a strong influence on the organizational members. The various factors that influence the strength of the culture is size of the organization. Benefit of strong culture: create a stronger employee commitment to the organization, aids in the recruitment and socialization, fosters higher organization performance, promoting employee initiatives. Strong cultures. So the tabulation organization culture means sources of organization culture: the organization founder, past practice of the organization, the behavior of the top management, constitution, continuation of the organization culture, recruitment of like-minded employees, how employees learn culture, stories, ritual, material symbol, languages. Stories, rituals, material symbol. These are all the how cultures affect managers. So cultural constraints of manager, whatever managerial actions of the organization recognize is proper improper on behalf. The overall strength of the weakness of the organization culture. How can organization culture is established and maintained? So with the reference to the diagram given in the slide, you can get the information about how organization culture is established and maintained. Managerial decision affected by the culture. Planning. The degree of risk that plan should contain. Whether the plan should be developed by the individual or term. The degree of environmental scanning. Organizing how much autonomy should be designed. Managerial decision affected by the culture. Leading. The degree to which managers are concerned with the increasing employee job satisfaction. What leadership system are appropriate. Next one is the controlling. Whether to impose external controls or to allow. So you can raise your questions if we have any questions related to the topic what we have discussed in today's lecture class. So now we are in the concluding stage of our fourth video lecture on the first unit, introduction of management. Any questions?